Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the turntable coupler in this Frigidaire microwave oven, unplug the appliance's power cord. Remove the glass tray. And you can pull the old coupler straight up to remove. To install the new turntable coupler, align it on the motor shaft and push down. Position the glass tray on the coupler. Plug the power cord back in. And the microwave oven should be ready for use.